Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. Taking a look at Liability today. Number 77 Thunder Hollow Racer and the last one to be released with rubber tyres for me to review. First to have a look at the accessories. Just two barrels, one sort of orange and one blue. They're not just like the ones from Chester Whipple filter rubber tyres, but the colours of the barrel are darker. Get Liability. Yeah. So this is the Thailand one. It's China one. So have a look at the China one first. This has got rubber tyres. Obviously, not going to try and get them off. Why would I want to? She's all bashed up. She's green at the front and then purple the back onwards, apart from the windows. So, like rocket design with a little explosion, really sloppily spray painted on in light and dark purple. Got the exhaust here, angry expression, headlights all boarded up it seems, windows are boarded up as well, or that's what it appears to be. 77 white, sloppy spray paint with purplish, and then the same here and here, got rockets shooting both ways on the windows. Rocket shoot sloppily strong with rockets being shot on both windows. And there's a tally. Tally is 5, 10, 15, 17. So I'm not sure what that means. For all we know, Liability tally could have been how many days Liability was in jail. We don't know. And she's just all bashed up along the back. This mix of purple and white. I didn't even. Seek plus destroy. It's very hard to see. See if it's any more visible in the Thailand version. Oh, sort of. I don't know if this was on the back. It's so hard to see. So it says Seek plus destroy on all sides. Here and here, I can tell because I looked at the Thailand Liability. Got the stripes going up here, but yeah, all just bashed up. Here's a mix of dark purple, light purple, and white colours. Now let's compare it to the Thailand as the base. There's China Liability and Thailand Liability. Main difference is the eyes. You can just tell the difference. And then rubber tyres on China, plastic on Thailand. The rims aren't fully covered now. There's a bit hole there for the, I think it's the axle. The colours are much darker now. That's how I noticed it is with some Thailand cars, and Seek and Destroy is much more visible now, but only if you look a lot more closely. Post reads M41A, which means made in the 41st week of 2019 in the A factory in Thailand. Anyway, there's nothing else much to show for this video. Quick look at Liability. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I've said this numerous times and I'll say it again. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, do all that stuff, and I'll see you all in the next video.